Hello. Are you ever confused with the delete, truncate, and drop commands in SQL? If so, you are not alone. These three commands may seem similar at first glance, but they actually serve very different purposes. In this video, we will be discussing the key differences between delete, truncate, and drop commands. Let's start with delete. This command is used to remove specific rows of data from the table. For example, if you have a table of orders and you want to delete all the orders that were placed in a store located in a Paris. So you can simply use the delete command. Here is an example of how the delete command works. Delete from orders where store location equals to Paris. This command will delete all rows from the order table where the store location column value is a Paris. Notice that we are using a where clause to specify which rows to delete. If we will not use the where clause in the delete command, then this delete command will simply remove all the rows from the table. Now, let's move to the truncate. Truncate command is used to remove all the data, all the rows from a table. Unlike delete, which allows you to specify which rows to delete, truncate removes all the rows at one go. This can be useful if you want to start afresh with a table that has become too cluttered with the data. Here is an example of how the truncate command works. Truncate table, table name. For example, if you want to truncate orders table, then command will be truncate table orders. This command will remove all the rows from the orders table. Notice that here we are not using a where clause to specify which rows to delete because truncate deletes all the rows. So what's the difference between delete and truncate? Simple. Delete is a DML, whereas truncate is a DDL. Now, you can roll back your deleted rows, but you cannot get your data back if you have used truncate command, as all DDLs are by default autocommit. Autocommit means your changes are automatically marked as permanent. Now, truncate will be much faster than delete if you are deleting entire table, because the truncate is a DDL, it's a autocommit and it never saves any logs because it doesn't bother to restore the data. Whereas delete will be slower in terms of performance because you may want to recover a data. That's the reason delete stores records in the logs, which will be cleared when you perform a rollback or commit. Finally, let's move to the drop. This command is used to completely remove a table from the database. Unlike delete and truncate, which only removes the data from a table and not a structure, drop removes the entire table structure, including any indexes, triggers, and constraints associated with the table. The example to drop the table, let's say you want to drop the orders table, the command will be drop table orders. This command will completely remove the order tables from the database. So, to sum up, delete is used to remove specific rows of data from a table, truncate is used to remove all the rows from a table, and drop is used to remove the entire table structure from the database. Knowing when to use each of these commands can help you effectively manage your SQL database and keep it running smoothly. This brings us to the end of this session. Thanks for watching this. If you found this video helpful, please give it thumbs up. Please share it with your friends and colleagues, and don't forget to leave a comment with your thoughts and questions.